So gently pack it down. See, now I'm not even holding it. Hey, no hands, no hands, no hands. And Goody is not by herself, so she's happy. Okay, so this was way too thick as it was. The water wasn't coming out, so I ripped it apart and now it's better. So I will just place that there to seal up the hole, and we will fill the pot to about maybe a third. So there. So maybe I'd want it to get to about there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take off some of these roots, and I'm going to take out some of the soil so that the stem isn't too high above the pot. And gently I'm leaving more of these small fibrous roots because they're the ones that are really going to spread. And these bulbous roots, these big ones, they can be removed. So the ones that will maybe fill up the pot a lot faster, so like these sizes. And I am not killing the plant. Remember, if I cut it here, it can still grow. So if I cut it right here and allow it to callus over for a little bit, then it will still push out roots right here, because this plant is a miracle plant. It just keeps on producing, keeps on giving life. I just love it. That's a lot better. Not sure if you can see what's happening. So what I'm doing is I'm just spreading the roots, the fibrous roots out a bit. So that Martha can, do her thing and regenerate. No, she does have a little bit of a curve. I think I just broke one. Martha, I'm sorry. So I'm trying to get it so it doesn't, fall over. So maybe I will have to center it in a way that if it stands up. Okay, so maybe right there is good. And what you just do is you just bring this around and just fill up the space with the soil, and really make sure that they're so gently pack it down. See, now I'm not even holding it. Hey, no hands, no hands, no hands. And Goody is not by herself, so she's happy. This is the perfect spot for her. So you can do a test where you put a little bit of it, and if your aloe vera is standing tall, the thing isn't even full yet, and she's doing fine, then that's great. And I will just continue to gently, I almost said gently, but I mean gently. Gently make sure that there are no air pockets, and just go around, make sure that the soil is evenly spread out. Okay, so I don't want to fill it all the way to the rim, but I'm trying to even things out a bit because she's still a little bit unstable. So like I said, gently put it down. Now it could have gone in a bit further because I don't know if you can see, but like this bulb right here will be a root, this bulb here will be a root. So I'm trying to get the soil at least up to there. So I could have taken off some more of the root, but I never feel like it. So just trying to get enough in there so that it is fully covered. And Martha are going good. See, she's sturdy, she's not turned over. Yes, goody. That's how we like it. And remember, it's gardening. It's okay if you make a mess, you can just clean it up afterwards, you know, broom. So I'm leaving a little bit of space here. But it's okay with the cactus, it's okay with the aloe vera because, you know, she don't like water anyway. Okay, so in the later I'm gonna get some stones or some bark to just give it like a top dressing to give additional support to her. So there you have it, fully functional. And Martha is looking nice and pretty and ready in her new home. There you have it. Good girl, Martha.